Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May the 1st, 2024 and we have a beautiful crabapple tree blooming here. Beautiful parrot tulips. Look at these colors. They're so pretty. Crabapple trees are great for our pollinators. We did see one hummingbird the one day. They are back. This is one of our lilac bushes. Oh, there's the butterfly. Hold on. There it is. There's another one. Where'd it go? Up there. Another butterfly. We have two Quonset cherry trees. There's the other one over there. These are really pretty. The pollinators love them too. Creeping phlox is really pretty. This parrot tulip here is pretty much spent. Beautiful daffodils here. Some more parrot tulips coming back there. Okay, so today is May the 7th, 2024, and the white lilac has been blooming now for a little while. You can see it is starting to become spent. And our columbines are starting to bloom. These readily reseed themselves, so they can take over. That is something that you do have to watch out for, but they're beautiful. These are just starting to bloom. So you can see here our yarrow is going to start blooming soon. And this is a different variety back here. This one here is going to start blooming soon. So this is one of my brand new peonies that were just planted last year. And this one has a bud to bloom, so I'm really excited to see which color this one here is going to be. And you can see the new peony patch here. This one was just put in last year. This one here has a bud in it. So this here is another columbine that we have. Now you can see this one here is different. It has a different growing pattern to it. Some of the other ones, the flowers are more upright, whereas this one here, they hang down more, but the hummingbirds love to come to the columbines. And you can see there's another different variety back there. Here's one more of the upright ones. And this is another columbine variety here. This one here is called a firecracker columbine, and it's called that because of the colors. It is an open pollinated heirloom variety. And these do actually grow wild around here. So we have our first rose growing outdoors that's getting ready to bloom for this year. We had some blooming in the greenhouses, but this hybrid tea rose here looks like it's going to be the first one to bloom outside this year. And here's a smaller white lilac that's blooming. Now these are spent, a lot of these are spent. And this is the Kwanzaa cherry tree here. And this is the parrot tulip here. It has opened more, it's gotten more of its color. It's a beautiful color. So I hope that you enjoyed the tour of what we had blooming and what's still blooming. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button that tells I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!